children, your teacher is back with another interesting video. In this video, we'll see some more exercises related to previous topic inside my body. So let's start. We are starting from question number 2. Why? Because question number 1, new words, was already there in the previous video. So now we are starting with question 2, match the following. Here you can see two columns are given, column A and column B. In the column A, I have written internal body parts, and in the column B, I have written some function or some things related to internal body parts. We have to match these. So let's start. Number 1 is number A, bones. What will come in column B? Pumps blood, controls body, breathing, skeleton or waist. Remember children, teacher told you all the bones join and forms skeleton. Bones, skeleton. Bones, skeleton. Okay. Now kidneys. Kidneys helps us to throw waste out. Kidneys, waste. Okay. Heart. Our heart pumps blood to all the body parts. Brain. Our brain controls all the activities of our body. So brain controls body. Last, lungs. Lungs helps us in breathing. Lungs, breathing. Bones, skeleton, kidneys, waist, heart, pumps blood, brain, controls body, lungs, breathing. Okay? Now next. Question number 3. Put tick mark or cross mark. Number 1. Body parts that we cannot see are called internal body parts. Body parts that can't be visible from outside are called internal body parts. That is true. Second, our heart is called internal organ. Our heart is called internal organ. Children, you can't see your heart from outside. So, heart is a internal organ. So, tick mark. Number 3. Our eyes are called internal organs. Internal organs means body parts that you can't see from outside and you can see eyes from outside. So eyes are not internal organ. So here cross mark will come. Heart pumps blood to all the body parts. Yes, this is the function of heart. Function of heart is pumps blood to all the body parts. Tick mark. Lungs helps us to digest the food. Lungs help us to digest the food. Cross mark, because the function of lungs is to help in breathing. Okay? Now next. Question number 4. Answer the following. Number 1. What are internal organs? What are internal organs? And the answer is body parts that we cannot see from outside are called internal organs. Body parts that we cannot see from outside are called internal organs. Number 2. Name the internal organs. Children, you can write on your own, but answer should be correct. Order can be changed, but the main thing is answer should be correct. Answer is the heart, the lungs, the stomach, the kidneys, the brain. Heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, brain. These are the internal organs. Third, what is the function of brain? Function of a brain. Answer will be the brain controls all the activities of the body. The brain controls all the activities of our body. Next, Question number 5. Unscramble the words. Number 1. R-A-E-H-T. R-A-E-H-T means H-E-A-R-T. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Y-D-B-O. Y-D-B-O. B-O-D-Y. Body. U-N-G-L-S. U-N-G-L-S. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. I-N-R-B-A. I-N-R-B-A. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. O-B-E-N. B-O-N-E. Bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. This exercise you have to write in your notebook 2 times, and also as soon as possible learn this, because next Saturday your inside my body test will be there, so be ready for the test. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.